So hello everyone, welcome back again with another video. So today we are going to talk about one of the best platform for you. So Founder Pro. So the platform name is Founder Pro. So I have provided the referral link and referral code in the description box. Please check it out. So if you don't know about Founder Pro, okay, so I'm there for you. So I'll explain in depth so what we will be doing in this video. So let's talk about what does the Funder Pro mean. So basically you can simply start your trading career. You can simply fund the money over here. You can invest the money over here in Funder Pro. If you have a good amount of money, then you can simply use this platform very easily, like efficiently, like you can simply use this platform. Okay, so here you can simply see the sign up button. So simply you need to add your email ID, then you need to tap on sign up now. Then they will send you the verification link which will come in the inbox, like mail inbox. So simply you need to check and that's all. So you will be redirect to another section. So the Founder Pro, if you have a good amount of money, you can simply invest over here. So this is just a tutorial video, and the purpose of this video main purpose is used to provide you the information about this platform. We are not just forcing you to use this platform. So this is just a disclaimer for you. So before moving to another video, so let's delve into it. So after the registration, you will see this kinds of interface over here. So they will freely provide you some amount of dollars, some amount of dollar, like they also provide free trial. So I will show later on. So here you can simply see the new challenges. I have redirect to this pages. Okay, so after the redirection to this page, you can simply see the most popular thing like base challenges, okay, buy challenges, and here you can simply see all the challenges over here, and you can simply accept it, and then you can have a fund over here. So simply choose the country, where country you belongs to, choose your payment method and proceed to payment. So simply you can add fund over here through this method. So you can simply start the free trial over here, like 100k TL challenges. So payment was completed successfully. That this is just for the free trial. So if you wanna do free trial, then they will give some amount of money over here. So that's all. So it just they also provide you the demo money. So if you wanna invest, so you can invest over this platform. So that's just a very simple and easy process. Okay, so here here are the challenges like view account, billing history, everything you can simply see. And at the left side corner you can simply have the challenges account over here. So simply funded account challenge. So you can also simply read all these challenges. You can simply all read this terms and condition before buy challenge. So basically you need to buy some challenges over here, and you need to hold it, and you can simply sell these challenges later on. So you can simply, first of all, you need to buy the challenges, means they provide you the the event challenges, and you can simply buy and sell over here. So here are the challenges, conditions, like rules, regulations, each and everything you can simply see over here. So read this very carefully. So here you can simply see at the left side corner competitive, the things, competition. So upcoming event or close event, you can simply see Mars swing competition is here for you, active competition. So competition section, you can simply see explore all the things, and you can simply accept the challenges. You can simply register the challenges over here. So this is a competition. So if you wanna participate over here, you can simply participate in these challenges, in this competition over here. So here you can simply see the trade locker. Here there are different 4 types of trade locker over here, like the platform. So there are 4 platforms. So simply if you want to choose any platform over here, you can simply choose from these any one of 4. So that's all for it. So this is like we are just providing you the tutorial video. So simply at the left side corner you can simply see the affiliate performance over here. So simply you can copy your affiliate link and you can simply share to other. So they also provide the affiliate link for you. So if you wanna like commission, referral, payout, so each and every details you will get over here. You can simply see the insights, you can simply see all the data over here in Founder Pro platform. So here is the leadership board. So which person, so who person, which person, okay, sorry, like just the slip of tongue, but let it be. Okay, so Founder Pro leadership. So here are top 10 traders over here, like a name, return, profit. So simply you can see the top trader are here and how they earn in this Founder Pro platform. So with whom it may concern means you can simply see all the names over here and their profit amount and like the everything you can simply see here. So this person like trading log over here, you can simply visit the selling, the buying. You can simply like see the types over here, the volume, the open price, the close price, and the profitable amount. You can simply explore all these things over here. So simply at the left side corner you can simply see the economic calendar. So the economic calendar shows you the data of like the day where the challenges begin, the day where the challenges started, or the it provide the insight for you. So generally it provide the insights for you. So that's just a normal thing. So you can simply see the overall data of this calendar over here, and you can have like see the each and every details over here. So you have learned the proceed to payment, so how to buy, how to sell, and how to deposit the money. I have teach you about the about the free trial, about the competition, about the referral, and about the platform. Each and everything I have teach you in this Founder Pro account. So that's all for today. This is the tutorial video of Founder Pro. So if you want more video, then we are here for you. So at the end, if you like the content, please make sure to like and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification bell over there. We'll be uploading more videos like this. Don't forget to use our referral link. So till then, bye bye and take care.